Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve the chapter 3 of the Pearson MyITLab course. It's chapter 3 of the Excel part of the Pearson MyITLab course, and if you want me to do any other part like assess, PowerPoint or Word, or if you want me to do your Cengage course, SimNet course, or if you want me to do your maths work, stats works, finance work, accounting works, or writing works, or supply chain management work or applied science management work, you can contact me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. I am going to start this one assignment. Its name is EXP22 Excel chapter 3 cumulative assessment movies. Its project description is given here. You can read it carefully so you will understand what you need to do in this assignment. I am going to start from the first step. So by following these, you can complete your work. In our first step, he is asking start Excel download and open the file name exp22 Excel chapter 3 cumulative assessment movies grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already opened that one file. That's our file. Our first step is only involve the downloading of the Excel file from the Pearson dashboard and opening that one file. And in the next step, he is asking you want to create a pie chart to show the percentage each category contribute to the monthly movies download. Select the range A5 to A10 and F5 to F10. Create a pie chart. So we will select A5 to A10. That's our A5 to A10. And we will select also F5 to F10. And we will go to the insert tab. And here we will select the recommended charts. And we will select the pie chart and press OK. That's our pie chart. And what next he is asking? Move it to a chart sheet name as April pie chart. So we will copy that one and select the move chart. And here in the location we will select move chart to a new sheet. We will select and rename that one sheet as an April pie chart and press OK. So our chart is now moved to a new sheet named as a April pie chart. You see the downside. That's in the tab you will see April pie chart. That's our step number 2. In our step number 3, what is he asking? The chart need a descriptive title that is easy to read. Type April 2025 download by January as a chart title. So we will copy that one and paste it as a chart title. Here in the chart title, you will rename the chart title by April January. Make that one as a April 2025 download by January. That's our chart title. Apply bold 18 font size and black text one font color. So we will apply bold. We will select that one. We will apply bold. What is the apply bold 18 font size and black text one color? We will apply bold. In the home tab, we will select 18 size and black text one color. We will select. That's our black text one color that is applied to our chart. That's now applied to our chart title. That's our step number 3. In our step number 4, what is he asking? Percentage and category data labels will provide identification information to the pie chart. Add a data label in the inside and position. So we will select and put the data labels. That's now, and we will select inside and position. That should be checked, and we will select inside and position. And what next he is asking to do? Select the category name and percentage label and remove the value data label and legend. So we will select the go to the more option. And what next he is asking? We need to put the category name and percentage, remove the values, and that's our step. What next? And legends. We need to remove the legends also. We'll select that one plus sign and select the uncheck the legend. So legends are removed. And what next? We apply 14 pt size and black text one color to the data label. So we will select that one and we will select 14 pt size and black text one color. That's now applied to our required data labels. That's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what next he is asking? You want to focus on the comedy movies by exploding it and changing its fill color. Explode the comedy slice by 7%. So we will select the comedy slice. That's our comedy slice, and we will select the 7%. No, it's we will drag that one downside and make that one as a point of exclusion 7%. And what next he is asking? Apply dark red fill color. So we will change the fill color to dark red. We will right click on this one slice and change the fill color to dark red. That's our dark red. The dark red is applied to our comedy slice. That's our step number 5. In our step number 6, what is he asking? A best practice is to include alt text for the accessibility compliance. Add an alt text. The pie chart shows percentage of download by January for the April 2024, including the period. So we will copy that one. Alt text, copy, and select the pie chart. Right click on the pie chart and select the view alt text and paste it here as alt text. The pie chart show the percentage. Here you can see the pie chart showed percentage of download by January for the April 2024, and then close that one. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is he asking? Next, you want to create a combo chart to depict the monthly total and percentage by category. Display the data sheet. So we will go to the data sheet. That's our data sheet. What is he asking? Select the range A4 to A10 and F4 to G10. So we will select A4 to A10. That's our A4 to A10 and G4 to G10. He is asking to select F4 to G10. A4 to A10 and then select F4 to G10. That's now our range is selected. Then create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So we will go to the insert tab and we will go to the recommended charts. Here we will select the our we will go to the all charts and we will go to the combo charts, and that one scanned we will select the second one, clustered column line on secondary axis. That's the chart he is asking, clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So we will press OK. That chart is inserted to our tab. That's our step number 7. In our step number 8, what is he asking? You want to position the chart below the data series. Cut the chart and paste it in the cell A13. So we will select, right click on the chart and select cut and paste it in the cell A13. We will select paste. It's now pasted in the cell A13. And what next he is asking? Change the height to 3.5% and width to 6%. So we will change the height and width to 3.5, and in the format tab we will change the height to 3.5. We will make that one as a 3.5 here, you will see, and width to 6% and 6 inches width. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? Change the combo chart title to April 2025 downloads. So we will copy that one chart title and paste it as a chart title, April 2025 downloads. And what next? Apply black text 1 font color to the chart title. So we will select the chart title. That's our chart title, and we need to apply black text 1 font color. That's our chart title color. You see it's now red, color is red, dark black. That's our step number 9. In our step number 10, what is he asking? Axis titles will distinguish the number and percentage of the download. Add a primary value, axis title, and type number of downloads. So we will select the That's our chart. I will make downside, and you will click on the plus button and select the axis titles. That's our axis titles. What next he is asking? Add a primary value axis title and select number of downloads. So we will put number of downloads for the primary axis title. That's our primary access title. We will change that one as a rename that one as a number of downloads. That's in the left side of the chart title. That's our number of downloads. And what next he is asking? Add a secondary value access title as a type percentage of monthly downloads. So we will copy that one and paste it as a right side of the chart title access title. That's our right size. That's our secondary access title. That's our percentage of monthly downloads. And what next? Apply black text one font color to the both values. So we will select that one. That's now selected. We will apply black text one font color. Select that one also. Double click and we will select the all. And then apply black text on font color. That's our step number 10. In our 11th step, what is he asking? Now that you added the text axis title for each vertical axis, you can remove the legend from the secondary values axis to display the whole percentage. Remove the legend from the combo chart. So we will select the legends and then uncheck the legends button. That's now unchecked. What next we need to do? Display the 0 decimal places for the secondary value access title. So we will select that one. That's our secondary value access. We will make that one in the number format. We will make that one with the here we will paste 0 decimal places and it's now 0 decimal places. That's our step number 11. We have total 22 steps in this assignment. I have performed 11 steps in this video. If you don't understand Simnet course or if you want me to do your any other part of this one Pearson MyITLab course, or if you want me to do any other course like maths, stats, economics, finance, accounting, you can contact me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. And you can scan my WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of this video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.